Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, people? Yeah, so I decided to make a video of me prepping up this office that I use. I use this office to work and earn my money every day. So I decided to paint it, hook it up, make it feel in a way where I can feel comfortable. So I'm in here all day from 9 to 9, daily, 6 days a week. And I'm gonna show you guys a step. It's gonna be numerous videos of my progress. But yes, this is it. There used to be a window right there. And what I did was I got rid of it because on the other side we got like a living room in the house. This is my house. And we got rid of this window like 2 years ago, but I noticed that when we sealed the wall, when we put cement blocks on the wall, it had like cracks on the sides. So what I did right now was I made sure I sealed it up, so when I do paint it, I mean, the cracks would show as less as possible. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm kind of prepping it up for paint. I'm gonna make a design over here. This is the tape. Let's see how it comes up. I'm not a professional at this, so don't start. I mean, you can criticize all you want. It's your opinions, but just remember that I'm not a professional. Yeah, I did this back when I was a teenager back in New York. A lot of people think that everybody that lives in New York is rich. It's not like that. I mean, I had to do this to earn a living when I was a teenager, and I was good at it because I enjoyed it. All right, so yeah, this is gonna be part of my videos, okay?